I can't stop blushing. My home office is finally done, and all of this inspiration started with the color blush pink. It's feminine, soft, and elegant, and that's what comes to mind when designing my office space. It was also important to me not to make my office feel like an office, and I feel like I nailed it because I didn't use traditional office furniture. Starting with the lighting, you guys may remember when I shared the chandelier on Instagram. It's by my all-time favorite designer in the world, Candace Olsen, and I even hacked one of her designs years ago, and I'll have that link down below. My hubster got busy removing the builder's grade lighting and replaced it with this beauty. It's handcrafted with a soft gold finish accented with crystals that reflect the light. And what I love most about it is that it's versatile. You can use it in a dining room or foyer. It's the perfect focal point for my home office. Seating. Invest in comfortable seating, especially if you spend a lot of time in your office like I do. Tjmaxx have some of the most beautiful chairs this year, like this fuchsia pink chair with gold studs and gold legs, and for $200 you really can't beat it for the quality and the style. But if this isn't your style, they also have traditional office chairs, which is quite comfortable. I've had one for years, but it was time for a new one. I got an upgrade. This chair is from Tjmaxx. It's blush pink suede with a chevron pattern. It's designed to be a classic in your office. HomeGoods has this beautiful throw on clearance for $22. It's warm and cozy and it matches my decor perfectly. I also placed a little stool under my desk to reduce the pressure on my legs. This stool is from Ross Stores and it was only $24.99. And this beautiful area rug. It's by Well Woven and it's part of their feather collection. The rug is super thick, plush, 2-inch pile height. It's stain and fade resistant. It's extremely durable and really easy to clean, and I will have their link down below for purchasing. Visitor chairs. I added 2 chairs in the space for when my hubster and my son needs to visit and tell me that I'm working way too much. These chairs are from Target. It's part of their Project 62 line that I just love. It's light pink in a velour fabric with shiny gold legs. It's very bold, and the backrest has a half circle cutout and a rounded back. It's perfect for vanity. This chair was also in my original plan, and it still may be, I'm not sure, so be sure to follow me on Instagram at Be My Guest with Denise to see where it will go. I also placed this little mirrored gold table between the chairs to place a drink on, and the table matches the console table, and they are both from Ross Stores. Above the console table, I have my Like a Boss sign. It's from HomeGoods, and I added 2 decorative vases I've already had, and they're also from HomeGoods. And my leather file folder is from Target. And this is where you can find me most of the time, editing, posting on social media, talking on the phone, and of course creating content for you guys. My computer is a 27-inch Apple iMac that I cannot live without. The white square pad is actually a mouse pad, and it can be clicked anywhere on the pad, and I like to keep my desk clutter-free, so I only have a cute little planter and a small Bluetooth speaker that I listen to while editing, and the speaker was a Christmas gift. In front of my desk, I created a little kitchenette for myself. This is an old wardrobe I've had for years, and I painted it white using chalk paint. It's equipped with my Keurig so I can have my coffee for those late nights, and I even get to display my pretty mugs. I also loaded up with coffee. I'm currently drinking Dunkin' Donuts, the original blend, and my mini fridge is kept with lots of fresh fruits and water for snacking, and when it's not in use, I close the doors, which helps the soft noise from the fridge, and I don't have to look at it every day. Every inch of my office was thoroughly planned out, even down to installing a hook rack. It came with 4 brass bronze hooks. It's such an elegant way to add functional storage to hang your umbrellas, scarves, and purses, and you can get it from Target. And speaking of storage, in my last video I shared how I gave this $12.99 Goodwill vintage glam dresser a makeover using chalk paint, and I even shared tips on how you can use a dresser to store your office essentials on a budget, and I will have that link down below. I always get a lot of questions about my desk, and I've had it for about 5 or 6 years, and it's from World Market. There's so many options for so many spaces, large or small, and you guys know how much I love IKEA, and they have a beautiful secretary that's perfect for apartment living and beautiful storage units that you can customize for your needs. I'm not completely finished with my office. I have this wall decal that I purchased and I really want your thoughts on it. I have yet to apply my wall decal and drapes, so leave me a comment telling me your thoughts of this wall decal and where you would put it. So I hope you guys are inspired to get your office into shape, and I want to thank you all for watching.